A Tour of the Heart, a new VR experience for kids facing open heart surgery.
In fall 2017, 5 of us gathered to create this virtual experience in Unity.
Our learning experience included using a 3D scanner and attaching textures to 3D objects.
One of the more challenging parts of this was figuring out how to present this subject in a child-friendly way.
If the reason you're using this program is because you're facing open heart surgery, then we wish you many heartbeats of good fortune.